In this video I'll look at snaps. So in Maya you hit the magnet key and then you can hit V to snap to vertex, etc. In Blender, V in Maya is V and G for grid snap. In Blender it's up here, right? It's the shortcut is Shift and Tab, and then you can choose from here. So I can choose vertex, and if I create, say Shift A, create a cube, let's scale it down. I'll hit S to scale it down. I'll hit G to move it. Now if I hit G and I want to move it to a particular vertex, you can see it starts to snap to the vertices of the monkey head, right? So to turn it off, you hit Shift and Tab again, and that's off. You can also do, the ones that I use the most is grid and vertex. So same deal, you hit Shift and Tab to turn it on, you hit G, and now it snaps to particular grid increments. Right, there you go. Shift and Tab. And that's how that works. There is a really cool feature where you can go to face project. If you want to place it onto a face, you can say align to rotation to target. So same deal, Shift and Tab, here G, and now there you go. You can see you've kind of aligned it to this face, so the orientation. So this is good for placing objects. So that's